Let's close our eyes a moment and together bless the prayers that have been placed in the prayer request box. You know, Unity has been praying for over 135 years at Silent Unity on Unity Village campus. And we hold these prayers along with the ones in the energy of that presence. Let's take a deep breath in, a little pause at the top, and a gentle release. The breath connects us mind, body, and spirit, and it connects us in this moment one with another. Regardless of technology and distance, we are in this moment one in consciousness. And together we know that there is no degree of prayer. There's none too small, and there's none too great for that presence and that power and the substance and source of the universe that we refer to as God. Our way shower and master teacher Jesus taught us that we claim our good. And in this moment, we claim the highest and best for every request in this box. And those that are on your heart and on your mind right now that you haven't written down, but you know that it's a concern, whether it's for health and well-being, wealth, prosperity, relationships, emotional, whatever it is that you have a need for in this moment, we claim it. We claim the highest and best. We claim that perfection that is available at all times. And because we know that we have this presence and power, and we know that we can call upon it at any moment, we're grateful. And we say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is. Amen. So let's move into our time of meditation with this same energy and consciousness that we have created together. Taking a deep breath in, a little pause again, and a slow release. We bring our attention to the breath as it moves in and out of our nostril. And noticing the breath at this point of entry and exit, we notice as it comes in, it's a little bit cool. And as we release that breath, it's just a little bit warmer. Breathing in, cooler. And breathing out, warmer. Now we begin to follow that breath as it moves deeper and deeper within. Deeper still, to that secret place of the Most High, the very center of your being. In this sacred space, alive in each and every one of us. We know the truth of our being. You know you are love. You know you are joy. And you are peace in this world. Allowing this truth of your being to permeate every cell of your body. Enlivening, energizing, and healing. This time of meditation allows us to set aside the busyness of life and be present and still, balancing, reposing in the silence. Coming back from the silence, bringing our attention back into the room, into this present moment. We bring back with us that stillness, that peace. And we say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is. Amen.